WeatherTech Pet Barrier is an adjustable and expandable heavy-duty barrier that keeps pets safely secured in the rear of your car, SUV, or minivan. To install, remove all the parts from the box and verify that all parts have been received. Next, place feet on a stable surface. Insert one end of the vertical bar into the tube opening of a foot and push down until the bar snaps securely into place. Repeat to attach the remaining feet. Next, hold the vertical bar upright with the red locking adjustment knob at the bottom. Rotate the red knob clockwise until the foot is completely seated. Repeat this process on the second bar. Then, twist the aluminum bar to unlock the height position pin. When unlocked, the pin should be seen in the open channel area, and the black upright should be able to freely slide up and down. Place the first vertical bar into the vehicle behind the headrest and extend the aluminum bar until the top foot touches the ceiling. Then, twist the aluminum bar into the nearest locking position and remove the vertical bar from the vehicle. Next, rotate and set the second vertical bar to the same height and lock position as the first vertical bar. To attach the horizontal bar set, lay both vertical bars on a flat surface, the approximate distance apart that they will be in the vehicle, and remove all thumb nuts. Then, install the horizontal bar set onto the carriage bolt with the recessed side of the horizontal bar bracket facing away from the aluminum bar. Fasten the thumb nuts onto the carriage bolt to secure the horizontal bar set into position. Repeat this process to attach the opposite side of the horizontal bar set to the second vertical bar. If the horizontal bar needs to be installed on the black upright, remove the upper foot on the vertical bar using a Phillips head screwdriver. Remove one carriage bolt and thumb nut. Next, reinstall the upper foot mount and retighten the Phillips head screw. Then, remove the thumb nut from the carriage bolt and install the carriage bolt into the mounting clip. Repeat with the second thumb nut and carriage bolt. To snap the clip onto the lower vertical bar, snap the clips to the aluminum bar and slide them down. Next, install the first horizontal bar set onto the mounting clip with the recessed side of the horizontal bar bracket facing away from the lower vertical bar. Fasten the thumb nut onto the mounting clip to secure the horizontal bars into position. Repeat this process to attach the opposite side. Attach the second horizontal bar set above the first set by following the same procedure used to attach the first bar set. To install the completed assembly, place the upper feet against the ceiling. Then, slide the lower feet into position. Rotate the red locking adjustment knobs counterclockwise to extend the lower feet and secure the pet barrier into place. Once pet barrier is placed, tighten all thumb nuts and slide the extensions out of the horizontal bars. Your WeatherTech Pet Barrier is now installed. For more information on the Pet Barrier and our line of automotive accessories, please visit WeatherTech.com.